August 2022 option trade alerts. You can take the 7-day trial. It's only $19 at beststockstrategy.com/memberships. That's $19 for 7 days for option trade signals at beststockstrategy.com/memberships. August 1st, we opened up a new trade in Berkshire. We closed out the Qs. We closed out Google, B+ grade. Then I give the spread leg. We bought back the VIX call. S&P down 12. V and VVIX up over 7. It's a large increase in volatility for a small decrease in the S&P. August 2nd, new trade in Microsoft. New opening trade, B+ grade. Give the spread leg. Bought back DG, Dollar General. Opened up a new trade in the Qs. JPM is an opportunity. S&P down 27. VIX up again. August 3rd, solid opening. S&P up 64. VIX down 8%. VVIX down 4%. Amazon up 4%. Today was very profitable. August 4th. Sold a put in Blackstone, B+ grade. S&P down slightly. Amazon up over 2%. Open up a new position. August 5th. Sold a spread in Microsoft, B+ grade. S&P down 7. VIX down around 1%. And VVIX up 0.5%. August 8th, solid opening. Sold a new position, a put, 105 strike in JP Morgan. Picked up $83 for the contract, B+ grade. S&P up 5. Not much movement today. August 9th, we reduced the strike price in NVIDIA by $15 by rolling it forward. We reduced it from 175 to 160. S&P down around 17, VIX up 2%, and VVIX up slightly. NVIDIA down 4%. August 10th, S&P up 70, Amazon up 3.5%, JP Morgan up, VIX down 6%. S&P up 88, VIX down 9%. Enormous drop in VIX. VIX is now below 20. But VVIX increased today, which is extremely odd. I suppose it's best to temper the optimism slightly, but even so, it seems that the trend is up. August 11th, solid and strong opening. Opened up a new position in Microsoft, bought back Berkshire. B+ grade for Microsoft. S&P down 3, VIX up over 2%. August 12th, strong opening. Volatility continues to contract. Bought back Blackstone, closing trade. New opening trade in Amazon. It's a B grade. As a spread, you can sell the 124 and buy the 110. The lower grade is due to the market increasing a lot recently, plus the lower volatility. We'll be buying options if VIX continues to fall. S&P up 73. August 15th, decent opening. VIX is up over 6%, which is slightly concerning. S&P up 17, but the VIX was up over 2% and VVIX down over 2%. No trades today. August 16th, decent opening. MasterCard and Visa are decent opportunities. Nothing great though. S&P up 8. NASDAQ down slightly. Amazon and Berkshire up 1%. Not really much movement today. The market has moved so significantly, and I think it'll digest its gains, but even so, volatility is not yet low enough, and the market isn't extended so much where it makes sense yet to buy options. What I can say with 100% certainty is it's best not to force trades. August 17th, solid opening. S&P is down around 30. VIX is up around 2%. New trade on Blackstone with a 95 strike, picked up around $100. New opening trade, B plus grade. S&P down around 30. VIX up 1% and VVIX down slightly. Amazon, Google, and BlackRock down around 2%. August 18th, not much movement at the moment. Sold and opened a new position in AMT, B plus grade. S&P up 10, VIX and VVIX down over 1.5%, NVIDIA up over 2%, not much movement today. As discussed, it seems like this week has been a digestion week where the market takes a break from its previous strong move up. August 19th, solid pullback. We were smart to be patient and disciplined. Blackstone was down. It's a B plus grade. The issue is that I think that the market is a bit overbought, so I prefer to hold off until Monday to enter a new trade. That was, in hindsight, ended up being a great decision. S&P down 55, VIX up over 5%. Good week for us. August 22nd, S&P is down almost 60. S&P was down 90. VIX up 15%. That's a huge spike in volatility. Second consecutive trading day with a large decline. Tomorrow will be interesting. Let's wait for stabilization. Decent opening. The S&P is down 150 over the past 2 trading days. S&P down around 10. VIX is up 1.3%. August 24th, decent opening. The market is down and volatility is down. Opened up a new trade in JP Morgan. New opening trade as a spread. I'd sell the 110 and buy the 100, B plus grade. S&P was up 12. VIX down 5.4% and VVIX down 7.4%. So that's a large decrease in volatility, not much movement. We made a new opening trade in JP Morgan. There was a large decrease in volatility, so that gives me confidence that the sell-off may be over. S&P is down about 4% after hours. August 25th, solid opening. Volatility has not moved much though. Solid day. Looking at volatility usually provides decent insights. It's obviously not always accurate, and people oftentimes feel uncomfortable when something isn't absolute. But the reality is that looking at volatility is extremely important. No trades for today. I was contemplating selling a put on DLTR, but it's not on my watch list, so I don't want to deviate and sell a put on something off the watch list. S&P up 58. VIX down 4.5%. It seems that the market has stabilized again. August 26th, solid opening. And then the market started tanking. The market is really taking on the chin today. I'm surprised as volatility didn't give any inclination about today's massive fall. Earlier this morning, the S&P fell 40, but then it quickly recovered and went positive. VIX is up over 15%, and the best thing to do is to wait for stabilization. S&P down 140. VIX up 17%, and VVIX up 10%. The S&P is down around 20. Let's wait until later in the day. Then I ended up selling a put credit spread on Qs with a strike price of 290, and I bought the 283. New opening trade, B plus grade. S&P down 27. So that means that the S&P is down about like 280 in about a week and a half. Not even a week and a half. I mean, that's a lot for it to fall so much. NVIDIA down almost 3%. August 30th, decent opening. S&P down 44. So the S&P is down over 300 in a little over a week. S&P down 44, VIX unchanged, and VVIX down slightly. No trades today. S&P was up slightly. VIX is down. S&P down 30. Amazon down 1.5%. NVIDIA down 2.4%. Volatility is indicating that the market should stabilize soon. So yeah, I mean, the S&P was down almost 10% in just about a week and a half. That's a lot. For the S&P to fall around 10% in a week and a half is a pretty big drop. So you can join the trade alerts, the option trade alerts and the option signals. You can try it out. It's only $19 for 7 days. You can join at beststockstrategy.com/memberships. And I highly recommend it. You'll learn a lot, and it'll also likely help you improve your trading.